house infested with mushy bananas? Are you ready to just throw them away? Don't do that! You can make banana bread. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cake like banana bread with 7 ingredients you probably already have. After peeling the bananas, you need to mash them up. You can do that with a fork like this, or you can put them in a blender and let it do the work. Since a blender needs liquid to chop up bananas, we're going to add the wet ingredients now. The first wet ingredient we're going to add is 1 egg. It can also be substituted with a 1/4 cup of water. The next ingredient is oil. You're going to need a 1/3 cup of this. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda. After it looks like pancake batter, pour it back in your bowl. Why are there so many bubbles? It kind of looks like yeast.
It's because the baking soda.
Oh wow! Now that it's all mixed up, we'll add the salt. Next, you're going to put in a pinch of salt, or a 1/4 teaspoon. Next, you're going to add 1½ cups of flour. Next, you're going to mix the flour. Now this is looking more like bread dough. However, this banana bread is actually a lot more like cake.
Cake? And you said this was bread.
Now that it's sort of mixed like this, I'm going to add in the sugar. 1 cup of sugar. After mixing until the dough's... What is this? Dough?
Batter.
After mixing until the batter is smooth, it's time to put it in the pan. But first you're going to need to spray it with cooking oil spray so it doesn't stick. After rescuing your fork that's drowned in your batter, you're going to want to pour your mixture into the pan. Now that your batter is in the pan, it's ready to go in the oven. You're going to want to cook your banana bread until it's golden brown on top. You can also check the bread with a toothpick or a knife. When it comes out clean, it's done. If you decide to try this recipe, make sure to post pictures of the results on Instagram or Twitter.